To make great chili, we need the correct pot. Check out this heavy-duty cast iron monster. It's gorgeous. Start by cooking onions in oil. Cook them until they wilt, turn golden brown, and caramelize like this. Next, we need meat. I'm using ground beef and ground pork. Cook that until it's nicely brown. I also like chunks of meat in my chili, so I'm going to use this gorgeous ribeye and a large chunk of pork shoulder. Cut the steak and the pork into nice chunks and add to the pot. Add chopped garlic and spices, salt, pepper, garlic, plus earthy spices like cumin and chili powder. See this oil in the pot? We'll add some flour to form a roux and help thicken the chili. Next, we need chili peppers. After all, that's why it's called chili. Red bell peppers, jalapenos, serranos, and Anaheim peppers. Remember, when it comes to peppers, the heat is in the seeds. These are smoked jalapeno peppers called chipotle. These smell awesome. How about some Thai red curry and spicy sambol hot sauce? Now we're cooking. Add crushed tomatoes and beef broth. To bean or not to bean? That is the question. I say no beans. Let's turn down the heat, cover it, and let it simmer for 1 hour. This chili looks great. Nice and thick with big chunks of meat. To serve, top with lots of shredded cheese and sliced green onions. I hope these tips help you make better chili. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select a recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.